So summertime convertible season means only one thing. Time to do the RV roof. Oh yeah, if you don't do it now, you're in big trouble, man.
No more pretending or make believe. Just for
Okay, it's time to do the roof. Because you can't do RV roof maintenance when it's wintertime in Canada. So, let's get her done. Don't mind the air conditioning sound. I gotta keep it running for my dog. So take a look at how dirty this roof has gotten. The panels get cleaned every couple months, but the roof is due. At the very least, you're gonna need to sweep the roof or ideally wash it if you can, just so that your coating will adhere a little bit better. So now that the vent cover is installed, it's time to apply some Flex Coat by White Knight. It's elastomeric, so it can stretch. And it's the same stuff I've been using for years, and I've had good results. I have many coats, and every year it gets another coat, whether it needs it or not. Keeps the roof looking clean and prevents leaks from the EPDM rubber roof, which I have. So let's get her done. Rolling shit on the RV roof by the river. And by the way, I did leave a good job in the city, only to retire. So this is what the first coat looks like. Now, because it's so hot, I can't turn the AC off, and there's water running through there. So that section will be done tomorrow, or in a couple days when I don't need to run the air conditioning and that's completely dried off and I don't need to run the AC. So just something to think about. So don't mind that air conditioner noise, but it's coming along just fine. I'm gonna have to paint the air conditioner cover too at some point soon, and of course I might as well clean those solar panels while I'm up here. If you notice, we got a good base coat here going on, except for that area near the air conditioner, which, like I've told you before, I got to do that later. But yeah, it needs another day's work, but at least I got something done today. Don't bother wearing footwear when you're applying the coating, because you will just destroy your footwear. I'd rather just get crap on my toes.
Was it all smoke?